Boo! What's up YouTube? It's Jono here. Today I wanted to share with you a little story about my grandmother. Growing up, I've always called my grandma Pawpaw. This was me with my Pawpaw as a little kid with a big attitude. And Pawpaw had really wanted to go to Japan for a couple years now. So when I graduated from college in June this year, I had some free time. And so I decided to take her on a dream trip. And one thing I learned from Japan was that the deers can get pretty aggressive. And the other thing that I learned was that the Japanese really know how to cook their eggs. My favorite dish was the Onsen Tamago, which directly translates in Japanese to onsen egg. Onsen Tamago is an egg that has been slow cooked in an onsen hot spring. And FYI, this is where the Japanese go bathing naked. Now, let me show you how to make this stuff. First step, get an egg out of your fridge and take it to the bathtub like Harry Potter in the Goblet of Fire. Keep your egg submerged in the water in case it screeches. You don't want Myrtle coming up to harass your naked ass in the bathtub. Just kidding, you can replicate this technique in your kitchen. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it into a saucepan. Oh crap, it's fogging up. Help! Pour in a dash of cold water to lower down the temperature. And delicately, put your egg into the water. Be careful not to shatter the eggshell, otherwise your hopes and dreams might go along with it. Set a timer for 17 minutes and let your egg bathe. While you wait for your egg to take its sweet time in the bath, head to your computer and watch a quick 10 minutes of Naruto. Pour yourself a shot of Japanese yuzu wine that has been fermented in the depths of Mount Fuji itself. Oh yeah, and don't forget to venture outside into your backyard armed with your Japanese samurai sword and ferociously slice off a spring onion stalk. Bring another pot of water up to a boil and dump in your udon noodles. Cook for about 6 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
Take your egg out of its bath and give it the shock of its life by transferring into a bowl of icy cold water. Hope the poor thing doesn't get sick. Turn off the heat by shouting stop in Japanese. Yamate!
Beautiful.
Didn't work. Probably just go with turning the knob. Then, take your pot of udon outside and drain out the water. Crap, hope that plant didn't die. Time to season your udon noodles. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and give everything a good old mix up. Finally chop that spring onion which you so bravely retrieved from your backyard. Next, transfer the udon into this Japanese style bowl which I also happened to sneak from my mum's cupboard. Create a little dent in your noodles and carefully crack your onsen egg in the middle. Oh yeah, look at that. Thank goodness it turned out well, because otherwise this video would have been a complete and utter failure. Season your egg with soy sauce, spring onions and chili flakes if you're feeling a little spicy. Time to set the scene for your Japanese meal. Get a table, cover it with a towel, make it look pretty with a samurai sword and slip on a Japanese kimono robe or a bathrobe. And this is my version of the Onsen Tamago, served with some udon noodles. Thanks for watching guys, subscribe down below for the next episode, like, comment down below, what is your favourite Japanese dish? Alrighty, Jason, you can have your lunch now. Yeah, you have to give it a Japanese style.
いただきます。